Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce a special Android 8.0 OS system for Hyundai Elantra 2011 to 2013 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me do unbox review. Okay, let me open the box. You can check the unit with good condition. Okay. Okay, this is head unit, special head unit. Okay, let me introduce honey seat first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Hyundai Elantra. Okay, let me check. You can check this connector. Special for Hyundai Elantra. Okay, there are support this factory camera. This camera, this original USB, this USB comes with harness, and this AUX input, left and right. Okay, this connect back connector. Okay, this is harness. It comes with GPS antenna. Okay, and remote controller, external microphone, two USB cable. This two USB cable and microphone, external microphone. Okay. This mini front USB. This is the camera input. Camera in. RC type. This is AUX cable. The video input and the AUX input left and right. This audio cable. This video out 1 and video out 2, and this is subwoofer. Okay, this is AUX out, left and right, rear and front, AUX out. Okay. Okay, let me introduce head unit. This is drum agent. Okay, you can check this header unit. This front. This button and USB, mini USB and SD card, 2 SD card slots. Okay. And it have DVD player. Okay, and you can check this screw hole. This and this. Okay, this right side screw hole. Okay, check the left. Same screw hole. And this. Okay, you can check this screw hole. Please check this 2 screw fix DVD player. Please take out these 2 screws before installing. Okay, you can check GPS antenna, this power connector, fuse, Wi-Fi antenna, radio ports, those connectors. Okay. Okay, let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, header unit will be start. Let me okay. 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 Let me check it. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It's a very fast response. Let me check setting. It's built-in Wi-Fi. Check the system. You can set the language in here in settings. It's all languages in here. And check the boot motion. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. Now back to home. Okay, it's built in the Google Navigation, Google Maps, and Play Store, and amplifier. You can download any applications from Play Store. It supports MirrorLink, PhoneLink, MirrorLink. Support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. You can adjust this button's color. This blue, you can change it. Red, green, orange, and any color you can adjust this button. Okay, that's all. Thank you. I will do the review video later.